Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets A to Z. Kids colors name: red color, blue color, yellow color, black color, green color, white color. Kids eye coloring ABC alphabets A to Z. Kids first draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use red color. B. B for ball, B for bat. Kids again use red color and draw C. C for cat, C for car. D. D for dog, D for doll. Kids again use red color and draw E. E for egg, E for elephant. F. F for fish, F for fan. Kids neither G. G for God, G for grapes, and use blue color. H. H for hand, H for helicopter. I. I for ice, I for ice cream. It's again use blue color and draw J. J for joker, J for jackfruit. K. K for kite, K for king. Kids and I draw L. L for lion, L for lemon, and use yellow color. M. M for moon, M for mango. Kids again use yellow color and draw N. N for nose, N for nest. O. O for orange, O for octopus. Kids neither P. P for parrot, P for penguin, and use black color. Kids again use black color and draw Q. Q for queen, Q for quail. Kids again use black color and draw R. R for rose, R for rice. S. S for sun, S for snack. Kids again use black color and draw T. T for teacher, T for tiger. Kids neither U. U for umbrella, U for uncle, and use green color. Kids again use green color and draw V. V for van, V for vanilla. W. W for wallet, W for watch. Kids again use green color and draw X. X for X-ray, X for xylophone. Y. Y for yak, Y for yaya. Z. Z for zebra, Z for zoo. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.